Hello YouTube, welcome back to the channel. So I just picked up these 2017 Nikelab ACG cargos for a really good deal, but as you can see they are quite used, so there's a lot of fading of the color going on, especially in the high wear areas. They have these cool vents. As you can see, the inside is bright like cobalt blue. So I thought I'd try to go and dye them. So I went to the store, I got some Dylon dye. This is not sponsored by anything, but read the instructions and dyed them as I was supposed to, and the result was a little bit underwhelming. I mean, they are definitely darker and more black than the kind of blue they initially were, but in the high wear areas it's still quite worn. But I think it's okay. I think they definitely look better than they did before. The nylon did not take, as you can see. But they are really great pants. They have a lot of Acronym-esque functionality, for instance, being able to operate these cargo pockets with one hand. The paneling is really nice and there's quite a bit of stretch, so you can Asian squat really easily without any problems. Also very good knee articulation, as you can see. No restriction in movement whatsoever on these pants. I love how these cargo pockets can expand. They remind me a lot of the ones on the P34 that I still need to review. Another feature I consider to be an Acronym design is the fact that the deep pockets are split at the bottom. So you can put stuff in the front and in the back, separating the contents of your pocket. And again, the cargo pocket is really great with a lot of storage space. And if you pull the drawstring tight, your stuff is secured pretty quickly. So I really recommend to pick these up if you see them anywhere. Maybe not for the price they are sold on Grail, but well, let me know what you think. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.